Grow it, build it. It is October in my garden, and woe to the lonely little Plains Coreopsis. One of my asters. I gathered the seed for this guy from the wild. And here's another Coreopsis mixed in with some milkweed. And this is a really nice annual plant that self-seeds like crazy. To collect the seed, you just wait till it turns kind of brown like this, and then you just kind of crush the capsule. And there's a few seeds right there. The little black specks, let me get that to focus. The little black speck right by my ring there is a seed. And it's a surface sown seed, so all you have to do is collect a whole bunch of these little pouches like that and crush them up. Save the little black pieces. That's the seed. Requires no stratification, no nothing. If they have enough time to grow, they can get a couple 3 feet tall, and they'll make a lot of blooms, and they'll bloom a long time. It's really a nice plant. You want to have it near tall stuff though, just because it can get blown over pretty easily. They're not the sturdiest of stems, but when there's a whole bunch of them, which I hope to have a whole bunch next year, they can add some good color that never really goes away. Thank you.